It's time to end the financial advisor tax loophole. Are you familiar with this? I bet you're not, but I guarantee if you're a financial advisor, you are. It's not fair. It's subsidizing financial advisement industry and their fees that other industries can't get. All right, so let's say, for instance, I'm your CPA, all right, and I do your taxes for a living. All right, let's say to pay my $1,000 fee, you take a $1,000 distribution from your IRA in which to pay me. All right. Now, as a CPA, I will pay income tax on that $1,000. Yes, I will, because I received it as it's literally it's income that I have to report as business income. I'll pay income tax on it. You know who else will pay income tax on that? You, because you took a $1,000 distribution from that IRA. You took $1,000 out. IRS doesn't care what you do with that $1,000. They don't care if you freaking sniff it up your nose, you pay CPA, or if you go to freaking, put in Bitcoin. The IRS does not care. What they care about is you took a distribution, and as such, is taxable as ordinary income to you. All right, and it could even be subject to a penalty as well. Let's say you have $1,000 that you take a distribution out, and you want to get, you got to fix your window on your windshield. Come on. All right, so you're driving down 285 like I was doing not too long ago. A rock hit my windshield and it cracked it, and now I got to replace it. And let's say I don't have any other money except from taking a distribution out of my IRA. I take $1,000 out. I pay tax on that. I give it to the Safe Light repair people. They pay tax on it. It's that simple. Let's say though I pay you $1,000 to manage my investments. All right. And let's say I have $100,000 in my IRA, I pay you 1% to manage my investments. And that $100,000 equates to $1,000. And let's say that I don't have the cash to pay, I just take it straight out of my IRA in which to pay you. You do that, you set that up automatically, you as the investment advisor. You know who doesn't pay tax on that $1,000? Me. I don't pay any income tax or a penalty on that $1,000 to hand to you as a fee. I'm the client, you're the advisor. The client has a $1,000 distribution from the IRA to pay your fee. It doesn't cost me a penny in income taxes or penalty either, even though I'm under the age of 59 and a half. Pretty sweet arrangement, isn't it? Yeah, yes it is. How do you get that arrangement? I want that arrangement. Anytime someone hires me for financial planning, I should get it. You should not have to pay taxes on the money you send to me, but you do. Because you pay taxes on the money you take from a distribution from any account, man. Other than if it's investment management inside an IRA, it's crazy. So now you have $1 million in an IRA, $500,000 in a taxable account. And smart investment firms will say, we'll household those accounts. It will take all the fees directly from the IRA. So, hey, you don't get a 1099. You don't even see the distribution. It's crazy. You don't get any taxes. You don't get any penalties. We can take all the fees from that account. Essentially, you're ignorant of it because there's no taxes, no penalties. You don't even get 1099. Friggin' nuts. How did the financial advisor set this up, man? Anyway, so we need to end this to make it more equitable. And here's the issue, man. Until we make a level playing field among investment industry people, it's always going to be fee-based where you're paying a fee of assets under management because it's an inherent benefit to the advisor to say, I will manage your fees, your money for a fee, and I'll take the fees solely out of your IRA. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's not right. So time to end this tax loophole for financial advisors. Call your congressman. All right, we'll see you.